Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the blink function block in Master Tool. First let's add a new network, then go to the toolbox, then click and drag a function block to our new network. Let's call this function block blink, and I'll name it blink_0. There we go. Now the way the blink function block works is that it's going to generate a square wave function in its output, and in these two inputs here, which are of type time, you can define the time it's going to be low and also the time it's going to be high. So let's do that right now. First I'll assign a variable to enable the function block. Let's say blink enable. For the time low, and time high. And to visualize our output, let's add a coil to output 0. There we go. Now let's test it. Okay, and as you can see, I've configured the time low to be 200 milliseconds and the time high to be 2 seconds. And if I want to do that again, I can go here. Let's say I want the time low to be 500 milliseconds and the time high to be 3 seconds. Then I write it. And as you can see in the output, it stays turned off for 500 milliseconds and turned on for exactly 3 seconds. And that's how you use the blink function block in Master Tool, and I see you on the next video.